There is nobody who's going to predict the exact price. And people ask me, what is my projection? What is my prediction? As if that's going to help you. It's not. Let's say up a lot. Do I think Bitcoin 3x's from here? Yes, almost without question. But for some reason, everybody gets messed up in this. Wait till the signals from the macro tell you, and then we'll see where the price is. My altcoins aren't. Just look at the chart. Look at the chart. Look at the chart. Look at the business cycle chart. Look at the dollar. Generally, it gives you all you need to know.
Raoul Pal argues that price predictions are unreliable, and investors should instead watch macro indicators like rising liquidity, falling bond yields, and dollar weakness. These signals suggest crypto still has room to grow, with Bitcoin possibly tripling in value. He believes the banana zone, the phase of explosive growth, is still active, even if it doesn't feel like it right now. Historically, altcoins lag behind Bitcoin before making big moves, and that pattern may repeat soon. Pal advises staying patient and avoiding emotional decisions. The real gains come from long-term focus, not reacting to short-term noise or hype.
Look at these. Just beautiful charts. Total market cap of crypto, excluding Bitcoin and ETH. Beautiful correction, beautiful. For some reason, this makes you all feel like shit. It doesn't to me. I like it because we've got the next phase to come. Everyone's like, we don't deserve it, we won't get it. People don't think they're going to get nice things. You'll be fine. Next one. Total market cap and excluding top 5. This is real alts. Stunning chart. I mean, I don't know in what world this is not going to play out. We already think the cycle extends to 2026, at least to the first quarter. Let's see what the dollar does. We'll probably push it out for another quarter. Things will go higher than you expect. That's my general consensus. Bitcoin dominance, rising wedge. I don't like when Julian, he put these together. I don't like it when he uses these spike charts. I would have just drawn it through that. Either way, I said here that I think it's put in the high. It then sneaks in a new high. I still think it's topping, and I think Bitcoin dominance collapses. When it collapses, it drives altcoin season. I know nobody believes in altcoin season, but over time, Bitcoin is less dominant. Why? Because people find use cases for other tokens over time. Interesting enough, this is before smart contracts were really a big thing. Smart contracts become a big thing. The market has a bear market. Smart contracts become a more important part of the ecosystem, as do new tokens such as Solana. And then we have the bear market where people just pile money into this. It's all driven by the business cycle. It's going to run. This is going to be the longest one ever because I can. Right. When banana? The most annoying question in the world, because we've given you, let's go back again, just to reiterate, you dim-witted ninnies. Dim-witted ninnies, here's the chart. When banana, we said it was here. We said phase one correction, phase 2, we're in the middle of it, because you've had this sideways move and your alts have gone down like this, and your alts are not at all-time highs, and Bitcoin is, you're losing your shit. I can't help you. You've got to understand the structure of markets. You've got to be able to take the volatility. And please, your asset allocation does matter, and you've probably got it wrong. And I've tried to help you with that too. Okay, altcoin season. Percentages of assets, excluding stablecoins, outperforming Bitcoin over a 90-day period. This is why you all feel like shit and you're getting salty as hell online with me, because when banana, your tokens aren't going up. Bitcoin maximalists are like, yeah, well, I'm in the middle of the bananas there, everything's fine, but you're not. So what this says is when it gets to these levels, it's oversold. And every banana zone that's happened to 2019, 2021, 2022, 23 are all driven when it gets oversold. So here we are with the M2 chart, with this chart, with the ISM. That's what a macro framework is and how it.
Raoul Pal says macro signals like rising liquidity and falling yields suggest crypto still has room to grow. Bitcoin could 3x, and altcoins may soon follow once dominance shift. He believes we're still in the banana zone and urges patience, discipline, and long-term focus to avoid missing out on major gains.
Be a builder of your own framework. Be humble, and also Be accepting that not everybody's going to be right. There is nobody who's going to predict the exact price. There will be somebody, but it won't be the person you're following. And people ask me, what is my projection? What is my prediction? Because of, as if that's going to help you. It's not. Let's say up a lot. Do I think Bitcoin 3x's from here? Yes, almost without question. But for some reason, everybody gets messed up in this. Wait till the signals from the macro tell you, and then we'll see where the price is. Yes, a global macro investor in pro macro, we do share some of that. GMI more so, because people are more responsible with price targets. And they're not targets. They're like, here's our contextualized understanding of where we think this thing could go. And here's 3 bands based on standard deviations. That's how I kind of think about the world. Okay, next chart. Bitcoin cycle top finder. There are people like, oh, it's hit its cycle top. Just block them because they're fucking morons. Bitcoin cycles. These are the cycles. I keep explaining this to you. When banana zone, told you when it started it over here. We had the correction zone. We explained the correction zone. The next thing we're in is this phase 2 of the banana zone before the correction. We're not there yet. We had a bit of sideways for a couple of weeks and you guys lose your minds. I can't help you. Do you remember this chart? I keep bringing this chart up because you forget it. Immediately you look away and go, well, somebody else said the market's going to get down its tops and somebody else said my altcoins aren't. Just look at the chart. Look at the chart. Look at the chart. Look at the business cycle chart. Look at the dollar. Generally, it gives you all you need to know. And everything else is noise. And you get so emotional about the noise. I get it. I get emotional too. My P&L goes up and down. I don't look at my P&L. I have no idea what it is. A zero idea. Literally zero. I haven't checked my P&L in 4 months. So I have no idea what it is. But I get bored when the market goes sideways. Engagement goes down. People aren't as fun. Then it goes down a bit more. And then people start getting really angry and salty and went banana and this and this and this. That's kind of a signal like we're towards the end of the thing. Don't let your emotions rule it. These things take time. The people who get really rich in crypto are in the space for a long time. They're not trading it. And you think that some bloke on Twitter who trades stuff is going to answer your questions. No. Time answers your questions. If you just did nothing, but you can't. I've told you this 100 times, and then you come back and go, well, I went down 80%, blah, blah, blah. Just, you need time. Compound returns take time. Did Warren Buffett trade his portfolio? No. I'm not calling myself Warren Buffett, even though I actually don't think he was as good as people say, but that's a different question. All I'm saying is, chill the fuck out.
Raoul Pal says macro trends like rising liquidity and falling yields point to more upside for crypto. He believes Bitcoin could still 3x and altcoins may rally once dominance shift. He urges patience, noting we're still in the banana zone, despite market slowdowns. Staying focused and avoiding short-term noise is key to long-term success. Is the banana zone still playing out? How do you stay focused during quiet markets? Share your thoughts in the comments.